My family was not harmonious before I started meditating. We kept fighting, in my mind. Home is supposed to be a warm, peaceful and harmonious place. That's what home evokes in my mind. What about dinner? Home was just a hotel for him. I never got along well with my family. We treated each other like strangers, or maybe worse, if parents keep fighting. Of course, children don't want to stay at home. Even if they're home, they don't talk to their parents, because they don't feel home at all. When he was at home, he'd lock himself in his room. I'd try to stay away from home. I'd stay out with my friends or play games until late at night. When I was home, I'd stay in my room. There was no interaction with my family. It hurt so much. I was so unhappy. But I didn't know what to do. My parents were fighting all the time. I didn't know what to do. What I could do was stay in my own room, or stay outside. I tried to close myself off. One day, I saw a Bodhi meditation magazine. I enjoyed reading the testimonials in it. I then joined the 8.5-day retreat. I listened to Master's teaching. It was easy to understand. Master's teaching was easy to understand. I realized I was also at fault for that situation. Then I decided to change myself. I joined a Bodhi chanting retreat. Master taught us to be grateful to our parents. I was awakened by Master's teaching. Instead of complaining about parents, I should be grateful to them. The key is gratitude. Thanks to meditation, we don't argue anymore. The family became so harmonious. My children see how I've changed. They care about me now. Through meditation classes, I was enlightened a bit. I started with the basics. I started talking to my parents, asking how they were doing. When my mom has a migraine, I massage her head. I seldom talked to my dad before, but now we chat a lot. We watch TV together and talk about the shows. I joined the Bodhi youth camp after practicing Bodhi for about a year. The camp made him realize his life goal. He's clear about his goal and what he has to do to achieve it. In just 10 days, Master's teaching helped me find my direction. I aimed higher. I'd been wanting to become a lawyer. After the camp, I realized I want to become not just a famous and rich lawyer. but a lawyer with morals and ethics who can help people in need. Without Master and Bodhi meditation, I wouldn't have such a good relationship with my parents. I may not have such a clear and firm life goal. I would still feel lost, without a direction. I'm grateful to Master for improving my relationship with my parents, and helping me to have a clear goal. My whole family has benefited from Bodhi meditation.